Hello, my crafty friends. This is Lori, Girl on the Ridge from snowy upstate New York again. I have a couple things to share with you. I had one of my subbies ask me if I ever do a variety pack of some of the ephemera I make, and I decided that I will try. I made up 3 kits, so I'm going to show you them, and they are listed in my Etsy. So what I have, number 1, because this is 4 times I've tried to film this. So each kit will have, I have 2 little matchbox or books, different sizes. You got a medium and a small, and they're filled with paper, just all different colors. The kits are all different prints. And then this is a guest check that is embossed. I showed these the other day. These are embossed with a bingo card, and I use gold gilding polish, enchanting gold. And then with just a little tag in there. So that comes with it. And then this is a altered 3x6 envelope that has been embossed with the bingo card. And again with the metallic enchanting gold collage. And there's a piece of coffee dyed paper inside. And then this one is inspired by Jeanette of My Cottage Crafts. A CD style envelope that I made with music paper, collaged, and inside this one is a raggedy or snippet. You can use it however you'd like. And that goes in there with alpaca fiber. And then the bag, and there's 11 pieces to each set. Altered paper clip. And then in this bag there is a fold over. This is a bigger one. You can either cut down or you can use as is with a little, the envelope collaged with a little girl. And then the second bag has a little snippet that I put there. And so these are listed as vintage Pretties number 1, 2, and 3. So this is number 1. I'm going to put this over here not to get it mixed up. And then this is number 2. And these are the little matchbooks. This one has some vellum on them. And the envelope is a Tim Holtz embossed folder. It has all little designs on it with a collage piece here. The little guest check with the gold. I love the enchanting gold. And then this one is the regular size CD folder that I made. And this has some just pieces of ephemera, a little time book or dance card, and a little portrait. And then the collage piece and the alpaca fiber. And this one has the altered paper clip. This one is a full sheet folded with a snippet. And then this one is a smaller collage piece. And then your decorated bag. Heavily decorated. There's a lot of layers on that. So that is number 2. Let me take my number. And then number 3 is, again, let's see, there's a guest check that I lost a tag somewhere, just a little tag. And then the matchbooks have a little blue on them. And this one has vellum again. And they open up and have the paper in it. They're complete. And then this is the envelope. This is a bingo envelope with a collage piece with a piece of paper in it. This is the bingo, or the CD envelope that I made watching Jeanette. And then this is a raggedy I put in this one with the alpaca fiber. And this altered bag has your paper clip. And then a big, I just took some scrapbook paper, music paper, material, book page, and sewed it on. That one. or actually I sewed it, then I glued it on there. And then this is your small one. So just put them in the bag for shipping purposes. And that's my 3 sets for now. So let me know what you think. It's 3. I'm not going to. 1 and 2 somewhere here. But they're all listed with pictures. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.